morning, everybody.
Good morning.
For today's class, I'm going to teach you all how to make a zucchini noodle pesto using these ingredients: zucchini, garlic powder, onion powder, pink Himalayan salt, Italian seasoning, black pepper, olive oil, and pesto sauce. For the noodles, we're gonna be using this contraption called the veggie. You know why it's called that? You're gonna find out. It's right. This helps turn zucchini and squash into noodles. It's perfect for those who want to eat pasta the healthy way. And trust me, zucchini noodles are a good substitute. Alright, so we got our, everyone, we got our zucchini noodles ready. Okay, first. You drop the ball. Next, we add our seasonings: pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder,
Olive oils.
yep, garlic powder, onion powder,
Me too. I like garlic bread too, Robert. I like garlic bread too. This whole frozen one.
Italian seasoning, and ground black pepper. Then we mix it all in like so. Alright, now it's time to heat the noodles up. First, you turn on the stove top.
Is Brittany here?
First, you turn on the stove top. And bring the noodles into the pan. Okay, so I'm cooking zucchini noodles. You move them around like so. Like so. That's how the noodles are transparent.
Hi, Jerry.
Did you email it to me?
Alright. Let's use zucchini noodles and ground soft. You got enough pesto sauce.
It's super cute. Can you see it?
One more water.
What is this?
More water.
Take it.
And we mix it in. Then we mix it in with our zucchini noodles. Then we mix it in with our zucchini noodles. Alright? Now we turn off the stovetop. Serve it like so. And that, class, is how you make a zucchini noodle pesto.